Hi guys, it's me Ubprogrammer, and in this video we will talk about some basic elements we use in the HTML, and we will see the practical usage of all these elements. Before that, I want you to know, if you are working on any custom project, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or mail to discuss about that project, or you can fill out this form also. The link is all in the description. Let's start with the usage of these elements. In the previous video we have talked about two levels of elements, block level and the inline elements. You can watch those video in the playlist. Now I will just create an other file, html4.html, and all of the code is present in the description. I'll title it as HTML4 tutorial, and we will start with anchor tag. Why we use anchor tag? To let me just create it first. Okay, so this is the anchor tag, and it means we want to integrate a link or place a link in our website, and href is the attribute of this anchor tag, which will redirect us to a link. Let's say we go to https and then www.google.com. okay, yeah, and here I will just say take me to Google. You can name it anything you want. Take me to Google, and I'll start the server. First I'll close that one. Okay, yeah, so here it is, take me to Google. When I click on that, I'll redirect it to Google. Here we have another attribute which we can use. Target is equal to blank. It will redirect on Google, but in separate tabs, so not replacing our web page. Okay, let me see why it's not working. Yeah, so now you can see it is opening google.com, but in a separate tab, in a new tab. Okay, so this was the a tag, anchor tag, and you can see it is placed in the category of inline elements. So always remember what you are using, whether it's an inline or a block level element. Okay, and how we can check that? You can just inspect that and go to that element. Here it is. So the blue box is only wrapped around that element, not on all the web page of the width, right? Okay, let's create another tag. I'll just toggle the word wrap also to see all of the in the line. Yeah, okay. So anchor tag, then we have image tag. I can use it, and this tag don't need to be closed by these closing tag, because it is self closed tag. It doesn't require you to close it. And here we have the attribute in the image to the path of the image. Let me see if I have an image. No, I don't. So I'll just go to the desktop, drive, YouTube, projects. Oh, I can just, what I'll use. Yeah. So this is a project about object detection. Let's use this image, and I will just place it in the source code section. In source code, okay. I rename it as my image, and in the source I will say my image.png. Let's see how it is showing that image. I'll just keep it to normal. Okay, so you can see it is that, but it is like placing it right on the side of the that a tag, because image is also inline element, so both of these will be placed side by side, right? What I can do here to see it on the next line, I'll just use a BR tag, that means break the line. Now we will see it is breaking it to another line, right? So this is the image. I can resize it, obviously. Width is, I'll say 50 pixel, just to check it out. I know it will be super short, so you can always do that, but it's better to use only width or height, right? Whatever you want to use, but only use one parameter, because otherwise it will just change the dimension of your image and it will break it down. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so next is h1. I hope it's not a big deal. I can just use h1, then h2, take 1. I guess these are really simple, but let's see the practical scenario of these. This is h2, so basically the sizing is which matters, otherwise they are not that important. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see how it is looking on our web page. So heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see a paragraph tag, and we will see now how we can do the. Okay, so I will comment it out by the Control+/ shortcut on the VS Code, and I'll use paragraph, and I'll just place some random text with the using of lorem utility. Now let's say first of all let me just show you how it is looking. It is looking quite simple. Now let's say I want to bold some text. Let's say this part I want to bold. I just wrap it around in the B tag. You can see it will be bold. Same way you can use U to underline it. Okay. Then I to make it italic, a tilted text. So that's how you can use the text formatting in the HTML. There is another tag. I will just comment it on to show it on the web page. HR tag. What this means is horizontal ruler. It will add a line horizontally on your web page like this. Okay. Okay, I hope we have covered some of the basic elements. You can just go to this website and practice all of these elements so that you can get a command on all of these. I hope you like this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.